Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and have a very great time. Yesterday we discussed about first chapter name, that is the science of biology. We discussed about science, biology and its major fields. Today we discuss about branches and subfields of biology one by one. Biology is divided into different branches to better understand the aspects of life. First one is morphology. Morphology is the study of the form and structure of organisms. In morphology, we study the shape, structure and form of living things, both plants and animals. Morphology studies the outward appearance, shape, color, pattern, etc., as well as internal structures like organs. For example, if you look at a plant, morphology tells you about its roots, stem, leaves and flowers, fruits. If you look at an animal, morphology tells you about its body shape, organs on the outside and body parts. In short, we say that in morphology we study form and external structure of living organisms. Next branch is anatomy, is the branch of biology that explores the internal physical structure of organism, particularly humans. We study in this branch internal structure of living organisms. For example, it helps in disease diagnosis, help doctors find problems in body like broken bones, tumors, heart defects. And in medical device development, help engineers make devices that fit the body like artificial joints and prosthetic legs, improving quality of life, help create tools, treatments like wheelchairs, surgery, glasses, so people can live better. By study anatomy, we live better life. Next branch is physiology, is branch of biology that deals with the functioning of body parts, for example, how the blood circulatory system transport vital substances throughout the body, how the heart pumps blood, how lungs help in breathing, how plants make food. All of these concepts we study in physiology. Next branch is histology, is the microscopic study of tissues. Tissues are a group of cells that have similar functions. Tissues examination helps in disease diagnosis, drug studies, and understanding organ structure and function. In plants, xylem and phloem are the tissues. We see these tissues with the help of microscope. In animals, muscle tissues, nerve tissues and blood tissues. About these tissues, we use microscope. The tissues study we do in histology with the help of microscope. In short, we say that study of tissues under a microscope. Next one is cytology. Cytology is the study of cells, the building blocks of life. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cytology helps us understand life by studying cells. Psychologists unravel the fundamental structures of cells and their organelles. They also study the mechanisms of cell division. In human body, 30 trillion cells are present. That is very important MCQs. The human body contains over 30 trillion cells. Various type of cells possesses unique structures. Next branch is molecular biology. Deals with the study of biological molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Molecular biologists also study fundamental life processes, develop drugs, create genetically modified organisms. Next branch is embryology, is the study of the process of development of organisms from fertilized egg. In this branch, scientists study tissue and organ formation, identify birth defects, and develop medical treatments. Next branch is biology, is genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of transfer of characteristics from parents to offsprings. In genetics, scientists also study the cause of genetic diseases and develop better varieties of plants and animals. Next branch is paleontology, the branch of biology that studies fossils to understand the history of life on Earth. Is the branch of biology that deals with the study of fossils. The examination of fossils helps scientists to know the evolutionary history of organisms. For example, dinosaurs' fossils provide evidence of giant reptiles that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Fossils. What is fossils? Fossils are remains of plants and animals that are preserved in rocks and other geological formations. The oldest known fossil is Cyanobacterium, estimated to be 3.5 billion years ago. Cyanobacterium are blue-green algae. They are prokaryotes. They release oxygen while making food, helped form Earth's atmosphere long ago. Next branch of biology is taxonomy, is the branch of biology that deals with the classification of organisms into groups on the basis of similarities and differences. Help scientists arrange living things into categories like kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. In short, we say that system of naming and classifying living organisms. All of these concepts we study in taxonomy branch. Next branch is ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relationship between organisms and their environment. Ecology helps to conserve biodiversity and address environmental problems. The food chain, for instance, illustrates the interconnectedness of organisms for energy and nutrients. Next branch of biology is marine biology. Is the branch of biology that deals with the study of life in oceans, in seas, includes study of fish, whales, dolphins, sea plants, tiny organisms like plankton. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are home to thousands of marine species. It helps to understand ocean biodiversity, discover new species, and address marine conservation issues. For example, coral reefs supports a wide variety of marine life. Coral reefs are home to thousands of marine species. For example, fish, crabs, sponges, etc. Next branch of biology is pathology, is the study of diseases, their causes, their effects. Pathology help in the disease diagnosis, prevention, treatment. For example, pathologist studies how the uncontrolled division and spread of cells cause cancer. Next branch of biology is immunology, is the branch in which we study the components of immune system and their role against diseases. Immunologists study to develop vaccines, treat autoimmune diseases in which body's immune system attacks its own healthy cells by mistake instead of fighting germs. Improving immune response to infections. Next branch of biology is pharmacology, is the branch in which we study drugs, medicines, antibiotics, and their effects on body. This help in the development of new drugs, development of new medicines, development of new antibiotics. For example, new antibiotics are developed that are caused to kill bacteria and treat bacterial infections. These are few of many branches of biology. Each branch offers unique insights into the fascinating world of life, contributing to our understanding of the complexity and beauty of our planet. Student, if you have any questions in this lecture, please do comments, and if you like this lecture and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.